This trip was amazing. Seeing the city from the river was also a very beautiful experience. The contrast between the tall buildings, with the old historic ones, the old streets. I don't know, there's something fresh and unique about it. This trip was amazing. Seeing the city from the river was a very beautiful experience. The contrast between the tall buildings, the old historic ones, the old streets, everything felt, I don't know, unique, very special, very fresh.
So, top three places in Japan?
Yeah, I know it's hard, but can you try mentioning your top three?
Yeah. So, I mean, if I had to say, then I'd probably like theme parks a lot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, for sure. It's like, I mean, it's just so like magical how everyone is super happy and like,
Yeah, it's been really beautiful. The music, the live
yeah,
shows.
exactly. So, top three places?
In Japan, yeah.
In Japan.
I mean, I know it's hard, but can you try?
Sure. So I'm really into like theme parks, like where everyone is just wearing like a big smile and like the crazy outfits.
That's super fun.
Yeah.